How to fix Samsung audio issue on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. You will see developer option is here, so click on developer option. Scroll down, and click on Bluetooth audio cords. Scroll down and search Bluetooth audio cords. Scroll down. You will see Bluetooth audio cord is here. So click on Bluetooth audio cords. So after click on Bluetooth audio cords, now here, so showing you options. So select one. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Samsung audio issue on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.